everybody. Lauren O'Quinn here with Trajectory on Location. Stopping by to chat with us today is Alison Rose, National Government Marketing Director with Esri. Hi, Alison. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
I'm well. Welcome. We're glad to have you.
Yeah, thank you. It's great to be here.
Now, we always appreciate the insight of the commercial sector. So, in your opinion, what are the key trends in GIS that will support the GEOINT community?
I think, first of all, I'd like to set some context, and I think the world is increasingly complex and diverse. I mean, all you need to do is open up a paper and really read about it. I mean, recent events in Syria, cyber, violent extremism, strategic indicators and warnings, these are all challenges that the intelligence community faces. And this comes at a time where we're undergoing a massive digital transformation as well. I mean, we've got rapid advances in new sensors and data streams that we have available to us, like FMV, drones, right through to big data and IoT. And then we've got advances, significant advances in technology like microservices, cloud and distributed computing. So in this context, it's really incumbent on GIS technology companies to really support our community, our GEOINT community, to generate better understanding and more collaboration to support decision making. Some of the key trends that we see supporting the GEOINT community are integrated imagery analysis. So that's really harnessing the potential of every pixel by providing advanced analysis, processing and management. For us, that's desktop and web-based ELTs, right through to deep learning on imagery and advanced image server technologies that use dynamic image processing. So really the first key trend we see is integrating imagery into workflows and business operations. The second key trend that we see is applied data science, and there's been lots of talk around that here at the conference. That's really integration of GIS technologies with scientific languages like R and Python, and also incorporating Jupyter notebooks. So it's really about being able to explore and mine and examine and analyse that data. And really we see that as an opportunity for analysts and data scientists to work together. It's really where science and mission comes together. So that's the second key trend. And I've got two more. The third one is really around advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's really around being able to automate or augment analyst workflows with advanced analysis tools. So we're seeing quite a proliferation in that area, and I think it's important to recognise that GIS technologies have had machine learning as a core component of the platform for some time now. If you think about imperial-based kriging, right through to integration with some of the major AI kind of platforms, which is TensorFlow or IBM Watson or Microsoft AI. So there's a real opportunity, I think, for analysts to harness artificial intelligence and machine learning for automation and augmentation. And the final trend, number 4, is really around decision-focused apps. And it's about providing an opportunity for everyone to be a developer. So GIS technologies, you now have the capacity with web-based application tools to be able to develop your own applications and freely share those. In addition to that though, for system integrators or application developers, we've got a whole host of tools with software development kits and APIs to be able to build native applications. So they're the top trends that we see supporting the GEOINT community. Integrated imagery, data science, AI machine learning, and finally decision-focused apps.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about what Esri is doing for military intelligence analysts?
That's a great question. So we are pretty excited. We've got 2 new key developments. The first is our intelligence configuration for ArcGIS Pro. And our second is our dynamic situational awareness example application. So the first, ICAP, our intelligence configuration for ArcGIS Pro, provides intelligence analysts with a streamlined user experience and user interface that just takes those tools that they use most routinely on a day-to-day basis. What that means is they now have, on their web interface, they now have access to link charts and link maps, which provides capability to be able to analyze and process complex relationships between entities, whether that's groups or organizations or objects. So that's one part of our ICAP capability. The second is really around our robust data management tools that are part of ICAP. So what we've done is built a ribbon into our ICAP or our user interface that takes all of those key data management tools that intelligence analysts use on a daily basis and puts them in an easy to use interface. So that's exciting. And the third key element of ICAP that's exciting is the ability to set conditions and alerts. So intelligence analysts can go in and set conditions based on a number of queries that then generate results and alerts to the intelligence analyst. So an example might be, I would like to know when there's activity occurring within a certain distance of a reported location. The automated alert will come up and notify the analyst and drop that into their queue for analysis. So that's quite exciting, and we've had quite a bit of interest on our ICAP tool. The second key application that we've been working on is called Dynamic Situational Awareness. It's an example application that showcases the abilities of our new ArcGIS runtime software development kits. So what that looks like is a totally new configuration of the ArcGIS platform, and it's specifically used for first responders or field operators where they require situational awareness in the field. So what we've done is we've built out that example application using our runtime SDKs, and it's actually usable on ruggedized notebooks, on desktop, on mobile devices, whether they're Apple or Android, and it provides first responders and field operators with an ability to generate dynamic situational awareness. For example, they may be asking, where am I? Where are my teammates?
Right.
They might like to know, are they within a certain distance of a hazardous area? This capability, the Dynamic Situational Awareness app, really responds and answers to those questions. So that's the second key development that we have.
I actually got the opportunity to tour the Esri booth, and seeing those applications in progress was really, really impressive. Now, last year we talked about what you've been doing with NGA. Have there been any developments since then?
Yeah, so last year we talked quite a bit about the Intelligence Community GIS portal. It's growing at a rapid rate, so you probably heard from Jessica Sweet yesterday from NGA who runs the ICGIS portal, and she talked about 130,000 users, which is just amazing. It's now available on all 4 networks, so top secret, secret protected, and World Wide Web, and it's being extended via Snowball Edge node technology. It's been a wonderful partnership with NGA on the ICGIS portal.
That's great.
Yeah.
Alison Rose with Esri, thank you so much. It was so great to meet you.
You too.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.